Reliability. It's the single most important quality of a heating and cooling system. As a company that's inventing for life, Carrier always goes the extra mile to ensure each innovation we add to our systems is built to last. How do we make them so reliable? By literally testing them to fail. Using more than 200 specially designed tests, we go beyond what's required, often exceeding industry standards, pushing these systems to their breaking points so we can learn where to make them stronger. In our psychrometric rooms, we transition rapidly from extreme cold to extreme hot in order to thermally shock air conditioners and heat pumps and see if they're still able to heat and cool properly. In our furnace and component test laboratories, we run furnaces and fans non-stop to simulate decades of use in a single year. And at our furnace test stations, we install furnaces in every orientation, upflow, downflow, or horizontally, to make sure they perform properly. Electronic components are some of the most sensitive parts of any heating and cooling system. We focus specifically on them in the highly accelerated life testing, or HALT chamber, where we subject these components to current and voltage spikes, heat, and vibration, so we can determine the most durable electronic parts. This includes capacitors, which we test separately because they're the most sensitive. To discover the best metal alloys for weather resistance, we test the metal parts in two areas: our salt air chamber to ensure that systems installed in coastal areas can withstand the naturally corrosive effects of the sea, and our acid building, where we maintain a high humidity environment and use acid to speed up the effects of natural corrosion on coils and other metal parts. We even test things you can't see. Using quiet rooms, sound studios, and field testing, we monitor sound output so we can devise new ways of reducing volume levels. We also use sound juries to identify distracting sounds for us to eliminate. Finally, using our shaker table, which simulates the vibrations in the back of a truck, our impact tester, which mimics small collisions that may happen during shipping, and our drop tester, which measures the survivability of drops during loading and unloading, we're able to design systems that can handle the wear and tear of the journey from the factory to their new homes. At Carrier, it's not enough for us to develop new ideas. We demand proof they're worthy of the Carrier name. We've spent thousands of hours identifying hundreds of design opportunities on pre-production builds. The results are innovative features that will help provide a comfortable, efficient, and healthy home to your family for years to come. Carrier, turn to the experts.